What's going on, phone nerds? Ian here again from Mega Mobile USA, and today I want to do a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 9 5G. Now you can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description. But without further ado, if you buy from me, this is exactly what you're going to get. The phone has a 6.55-inch screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It's got the Snapdragon 888 processor, which is the latest and greatest. The main camera is 50 megapixel. The battery is 4,500 milliamps, and this is the dual SIM international factory unlocked version. There's no region lock, anything like that. When you get it from me, it's going to show up looking just like this. Take the top off the box. You can see the phones here. This particular one is the LE2110 model. Yep. And this is the Morning Mist purple color. Okay. Set that aside here. Lift this out. Got your OnePlus USB-C to C with the red and white cable. That's a classic. The charger here, if the one in the box is an international one, don't worry, I included an adapter for everything. You slip it on, it's good to go. This is the Warp Charge 65 though. And then we got this here, this insert. A whole bunch of stuff comes right out of it. We have a Never Settle, nice, simple case from OnePlus. These are the good kinds. They're not too intrusive or crazy on the edges, so those are a go for me. Then we got the normal books and some stickers and everything like that. Nothing too complicated. For the sake of the video here, I'll take the phone out of this real quick. And again, this is like that Morning Mist color. It's like this mirror to a purple. It's actually pretty cool. Got the Hasselblad badging on the back with the cameras. On the top, you got a microphone. The sleep awake button here. This is the silent and volume rocker OnePlus signature thing there. You got the speaker, microphone, SIM tray, USB-C, and on this side just the volume rocker. On the front of the phone you got the punch hole camera. It does have a screen protector and then a tiny little speaker up on the top there. But that's pretty much it. If you order from me, this is exactly what you'll get, and I hope you do. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. But other than that, I look forward to your business. Thank you.